Yo, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Samantha. I travel out of this van now full time, and we're gonna do some van building. It's not gonna be anything fancy, but we picked up a cabinet piece off of someone on Marketplace. We're going to fit that in where we want our kitchen. Tomorrow probably we'll get a piece of wood for the countertop and some brackets and stuff we need to secure it down. But yeah, I'll take you guys through this process. It's gonna be kind of a minimal, simple build, but hopefully it'll be just enough for where we're gonna be going next. Yeah. Much better. We're trying to pull these staples out of this back piece so that we can place it like flush against the wall.
It might mess with the balance of it, but when you bolt it into the wood, it'll be fine.
Y'all, these are cold shorts he's been missing for 6 months.
Don't ask me how
in my dad's truck because you guys been fishing. We interrogated my mom. We thought she gave them away. We were looking for them. I thought I found them one time. It wasn't them. I've been asking, and they're in here because this man went fishing and didn't bring any.
I didn't change my clothes when I went fishing.
But brought his shorts and left them.
I didn't change my clothes when I went fishing.
Construction begins now. I'm wondering what that is. That is a nightstand from our childhood. I'm pretty sure it was my sister Julia's. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep that there. I was gonna buy this other cabinet, but someone sold it, so unsure. Right now it just holds our underwear, socks, and then miscellaneous stuff in the bottom drawer. So we'll see about that. It's kind of nice to have it there. Colt is the idea man of this project, so I don't really know how to explain what we're doing.
This is the counterpiece. This is the step.
Oh yeah, hopefully that works. My shirt. That was my idea. Should be fine, huh?
This is...
That's just extra, isn't it?
Yeah.
We'll see if we could do anything with that in the future. As well as this one and that one.
Oh yeah, it's definitely big enough. It's more.
For the back of the cabinet?
More than big enough.
Wouldn't this also work on the back? Or no?
I don't know, I'm about to find out.
Well, yeah, if we had our own power tools. We're lacking power tools. Oh gosh, I need a... So this is the vision.
He got it perfect.
Awesome.
Duck.
Thank you, Lowe's man.
What was his name, Aaron?
Aaron, I think. He said he watched his van lifers, so if you're watching this,
thank you.
thanks. Hold it where?
Just hold the whole thing still.
Yeah. That way is fine?
Yeah.
Or do you need to drill a little hole in it?
That would help, actually.
The little one is where.
I am securing this piece to this piece, this, so I have something to secure the bracket to. I'm gonna need an extra set of hands.
So essentially we're framing it out here so that we can attach the cabinet. We're just doing it in a weird way because we don't know what we're doing. Look at that moon. We're like 2 days away from the full moon. Look at how it's behind the clouds. Take a second.
I'm got it. Delay, letting go, waiting to decide. Element water. The crow hangs from the blossoming cherry tree, allowing his wings to fall in complete surrender. He stays still, leaning into the position and allowing the blood to rush in to nourish his brain. Away from the rapacious noise of the roost, he has
Well, I'm about to explain that. So here's how it turned out. We just cooked eggs and tamales from Trader Joe's. And now we have some dirty dishes. And what finally came today is something I've been super excited about. It's the Boxio sink. And I got the sink set that comes with the like shower head. So my thoughts are, because we knew we were going to build a cabinet and stuff, but this was already like a whole project and I didn't want to do a whole plumbing and sink at this point. So I knew about the Boxio sink because of Emma and Buzz here on YouTube, and I'd been considering it for a while, and I thought it was finally a good, oh, Amazon's here. My tape is coming in too, so I could finish my window covers. But I thought it'd be a good time to get it now because we're going to be heading somewhere where we're going to need a shower option, and it's just going to make life a lot easier to do dishes. So we're going to set that up right now and test it out.
drain and pump.
Yeah, so it has a little hand pump that you pump and then you get water.
There's this jar for something. Oh!
It's like a cleaning
It's for these.
thing, I think.
Look at these. Yeah, it says beads on it.
Or stainless steel cleaning beads. Because I got a little extra set that has extra things.
What's that? This is, what is this? Oh, okay. This is, wait.
I'm scared to do this.
What is this? Is this the faucet?
I think so. You need to read the instructions.
Yes. Faucet. It's so skinny you can barely see it on the thing. Oh look, this is the thing you were just talking about. We'll pull it out later and show you guys when we get it.
I need to know more about these bees because, oh my god, they're tiny.
Trash. A mirror?
Yeah, it comes with a mirror also. Because it's a full shower set extra. It's like an add-on, which is great because I need a better mirror.
Here's the sink.
And then, see, it comes with fresh water and gray water. Little.
Which one's which? Does it matter? They're both the same.
I think it matters.
Okay.
I'm confused by these beads. I don't really know.
Pull the box off.
Hold on, I need to close these beads.
Okay. Pieces. Here's the sink. Okay, so all the pieces. I have all the pieces. Assembly.
If you guys are wondering where we're at, we've been where my parents live past what, month? A few weeks to a month. We're gonna be heading out of here in a couple weeks.
These IKEA ass instructions.
These aren't in English. This is the English side.
It is English.
No, it's not.
Assembly instructions, English.
All of those are not in English. All of this.
That's different languages. Czech, Dutch. It's just all of the different languages.
Look here. All of this is not in English.
Yeah, it's just pictures.
I hate picture instructions. I need words. Oh, here's words in English. There is words. I need the words. It says, Introduction. Welcome to the operating instruction for Boxio Wash. This is a mobile sink in box format with fresh and wastewater canister, as well as hand pump and water tap. By means of a hand-operated air pump, an overpressure is applied in an intubated freshwater canister, which causes the water to flow. Which I thought was cool because we don't have much power still, and in here, in the new van. So I didn't really want something where we needed power. And we could have went with like a USB pump, but then you said to charge that. So many things we had to charge already. I thought this was a nice like off-grid option for a sink. So this is it.
Yeah.
This is all the instructions we got. I can't
Oh.
do pictures. I don't.
I got it.
understand.
I missed a step anyways.
Should I go fill one of the waters up? One of the containers?
Yeah.
Because it needs.
It tells me which I think. Oh wait, no, there's supposed to be a sticker on one of them.
It's so small that I can't. Oh, I think. Where's the Boxio logo? On the other side?
Yeah.
The one with the water is supposed to be from this side, and it'll go to this one, I think.
Yeah, because the drain like goes directly over one of them.
Okay, then this one, right? Yeah, this. Because look. So this one, right?
Yeah.
Let's keep it. This is the front. Oh, I'm gonna go fill this up.
I'm gonna continue assembling.
Should I just?
Use this. So we got the drain plug, the food catcher. So let's go. It is it, except for
The mirror is supposed to go on that top piece.
this.
On the inside.
This goes.
The mirror.
Yeah. Through here, like so.
Here's the shower head.
This is for carrying the fresh water. This is for carrying the gray water.
It'll fit perfectly on our.
I pumped it up, guys. Moment of truth. Water!
Yay! Heck yeah. Here, rinse this.
First thing we're gonna do.
Rinse our milk frother.
Hold on. It's too far
Can this
up.
come off when we're just using it in here?
It wants it. The instructions
stay
said
on?
tie it off. I mean, we can. We don't have to have the tie on there.
Just because for when we're using it. And I gotta put the mirror on there. Yay!
I said the scrubber thing is cool and all, but I still prefer a sponge.
Oh. Hater.
Mm-hmm.
There we go. How do you like to sing?
It's a game changer.